Hey friends, hope you all doing good. And today let me show you how you can create these type of patterns with Python. I have recently seen these patterns on Instagram Reels or somewhere, so I wanted to try it. And so let's see how you can also do it with Python. So in Python, there is this library that is already available with Python 3. So you can, so I think this is the most famous one currently for these graphics designs with Python. So it's called Turtle. And I call, so this snippet I copied it from its official library website documentation. And so let me show you that documentation. So basically, this is the documentation, and here you can just go through most of the things that you need to create any type of designs that you want. So I copied this one from here. And if you have done programming in other graphic designing stuffs like applet or PS5, I think that's what. There was a language like processing language. So these are the concepts are pretty much same. You have some points, and you can draw lines, circles, and more than that, you can control the arrow however you want. So you can just go through all this documentation, and here they have all the basic things that you need, like color control, how you can control the colors and feel the colors. And there is also different shapes. You can draw different shapes. Like I copied the other snippet from another article. So with this you can draw some basic shapes, just like these, like square, triangles, pentagons, like that. So let me just run it. So okay, so it is going to draw all those patterns. Okay, so I think that's it. If you want to go through this, or so of course you can just copy the code snippet from other articles and websites. So that is another way. And of course you can just go through all these parameters and functions they have and draw your own design. Okay, I will leave this documentation in the description or in the comment. Also they have this official GitHub. So if you really want to go through their code or the library, so I will leave that as well. Okay, so that's it for now. See you in the next video.